Our students had a unique opportunity for hands-on learning experience into the Change the World Model UN, which took place in New York City.
It was like an opportunity for me to discover a lot of different culture and being able to debate with people around the world. Talking about global issues, trying to find solutions is also, I think, something very interesting and important in our world.
My favorite moment of this trip was working with the other delegates on creating a solution, as well as meeting new people and exploring the city.
Politics and business definitely go hand in hand either ways. If you don't understand the politics of a country, you can't really open a business there. It's very useful for business perspectives because I can find partners and maybe some friends from very different countries, from very different cultural background.